A panel of scientists assembled by the United Nations released a report on the dangers posed by a potential 2 degrees Celsius increase in global temperatures. The report warns that storm intensities, wildfires, even pest outbreaks will increase, which could contribute to the food shortages across parts of Africa, the Amazon.
There were about 40 streets that were flooded.
This is some of the things that we have to deal with even on a regular rainy day.
Coving Street literally is submerged underwater. This rain is relentless.
Each degree of warming will make the impacts worse.
On Monday, the stance against offshore drilling off of the South Carolina coast became even stronger.
Climate crisis.
Climate crisis.
Climate crisis.
Pentacle. What is a pentacle? The pentacle has been a powerful and positive symbol for many different religions through history. There are several meanings for a pentacle, but one of them is that the 5 points of the star represent the 5 elements. Spirit is the top one, and moving in clockwise direction is water, fire, earth, and air. The pentacle is my inspiration to make a change. In my life, it represents that every single part of this planet is part of me. Right now, I am going to Furman University to ask some people about what do they think about pollution and what do they do normally to pollute less. On the way, I have seen a lot of trash in the road.
I think we've
We've reduced pollution in this country, which over the past many decades, but I think we still have a long way to go. We're still polluting too much. We're still emitting too many fossil fuels and too much carbon dioxide, so we still have a long way to go.
I think that it is definitely a problem our society helped to basically create, and now we have to work together to stop it.
Disastrous will kill us all eventually. So we have to do something about it.
It stinks.
Yeah.
What do you, in what respect?
Like, what is your, I don't know, when someone tells you pollution, what do you think about? What do you feel?
Garbage.
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 I think it's something we should be working on, and hopefully we will continue working on that.
So I think the first thing is I drive a car that gets better gas mileage, because I think that's the easiest way to reduce, fossil fuel use. And I recycle and kind of conscientious about, not polluting at all and using less single-use plastics and stuff like that. Yeah.
I definitely try to not use a lot of styrofoam or any, single-use plastics, of course, and be mindful of what I am doing and how that would impact the environment.
Well, recycle, obviously. We recycle just about everything. Ourselves, we try to lower our carbon emissions. We still drive a car. We are debating whether to get what's the word I'm looking for?
Like the Prius.
Prius, yes. Something, again, that would lower the carbon. And that's about it, really.
Do you think...
Recycle and stuff like that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Is it something that you normally think about, or is just like... You just
do it. I just do it.
Okay. Well, that's
You gotta do it. It's all plastic.
Well, I recycle paper, aluminum. We regularly recycle and, use the bins that the sanitation departments provided.
Walking around the campus, there was barely trash in the floor. There was a plastic in the lake which could be dangerous for the dogs and other animals living in it. It seems like students and other people in this institution try to keep it clean and are aware of climate change. Sadly, not everyone thinks and acts the same way. One of the biggest causes of land pollution is the large amount of plastics. Billions of tons of plastic have been made over the past decades, and much of it's becoming trash and litter. Plastics production began just 6 decades ago and has accelerated so rapidly that it has created 8.3 million metric tons. Plastic takes more than 400 years to degrade, so most of it still exists in some form.